Hi friends, today I'm going to start JavaScript from the scratch as I got several messages and many comments and many emails from your side stating that you want a JavaScript tutorials from the scratch. So let me start this JavaScript tutorials. So why to wait? Let's get into my channel, Manikanta Tutorials. So initially, let us understand the basics of JavaScript. So, what are the basics, the main basics of JavaScript? So, JavaScript, so we all know, it's an it's an scripting language, as name suggests. So, is it used for client-side programming or is it used for server-side programming? That is what we need to understand here. So most of the cases is used for client-side programming. So that you need to understand. So what is a client-side programming? What is a server-side programming? So the only difference between client-side and server-side is, suppose whenever you have some two input text boxes, and whenever you give values in that and you click on submit button, then it actually uh, the data which are present in that particular text boxes it actually stores into the DB. But and whenever we want to fetch that particular data, say uh, the very next page after submission, that will come from the DB or the servers, we say. So when it is a cloud environment, we say it as a servers in most other cases, and when it is a normal environment, we can also say it as a DB and or a servers. So either it can be any of the servers. So that is a server side. When you say client side, it never hits DB and gets the data. So it is something like it is into the cookies, like it is into the context level memories. It's into the it doesn't go into the secondary level memory. Like in for more understanding, it's not in data where it is stored in the pure hard disk. It is a temporary data which is stored in a pure RAM. So if you want to understand in this manner, it would be very good to understand. So that is the reason you say it's generally used for client-side programming. So the very next point and very important point is it is a very lightweight and a case sensitive. That is a very important point. So it's a case sensitive. And the very third point is the very control structures we use, say in C or C++ or C Sharp, Java languages, such as these control structures we use, and not only control structures, the operators which we use are all the same over here. Like the control structures, like the control structures and operators are same as C, C++. So you can go ahead, like Java, C Sharps, and those things. So that is a very important point which you need to understand. And browser generally understands. So what does browser understand when you write a JavaScript programming? It generally understands, browser understands only JavaScript as a client-side programming. So that is a main point over here. So if you take any browser, say browser understands only JS as JS is nothing but JavaScript. So I'm just writing a shortcut. client side programming. So these are the basics, general normal basics of JavaScript programming. So so you do have some the rules for JavaScript. So that we need to understand by following certain important Java's certain important rules. So how do we understand those things? Like what are the rules which are present in that particular JavaScript and all. So what is the uses of those things? It's a big concepts actually, but I'll make it very simple for you. So I don't give a brief explanations about that. You get bored by listening to that. But let me put a small thing. Say uh, how to include a JavaScript in a web page. Include including including a JS in web page. So this is the fundamental things which you need to understand how to include a JS JavaScript in a web page. So the major thing is we can include the JavaScript in a web page using a script tag. So this this is as follows. Like I'll just take a small snippet of that script, and here we write generally the coding part of that code part, and after that just closing the script. That's it. Nothing. So by this way you can include a JavaScript in a web page. I hope you understand. So how do you import files, like the JS files? In direct terms is the JS files. How do we import it? So these are very basic, and you need to understand this concept so that it will be very easy for you guys to down the line when I go into the high end part of JS, then you can easily understand the concepts. That is the reason I'm going from the scratch now. So it's simple. You need to use script tag as said before. Script. You need to find out the source, and that comes with src. Src is known as source. Source is nothing but some name, something like name dot js. So this is how we import a .js files. Okay, a .js files .js files. So you so so when you start a script tag, you are ending a script tag now. So this is how you import JS files. So you need to take a source name and you need to put down in that particular script tag, and you need to close that script tag. That's it. This is very very easy to understand. So this is the first concepts which I want to tell you about the JavaScript, and I hope you understand this. It's a very small brush up sessions I can say for you guys, but let me see how you people receive it. Down the line I'll be explaining you more concepts into the JS. Like first two videos or three videos will be basically on the JS, understanding the JS, and later on I'll be moving into the programmatical part. So thank you, and please if you like this, please subscribe my channel, like my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you. Have a nice day.